Welcome back, folks. We got another beautiful weekend in the Uinta Mountains planned. We're going to be camping in one of my frequent areas where we've had some really good luck fishing in the past, and it's also just overall a beautiful area that we love going to. Thanks for tuning in. It's going to be awesome. There's how to make a little fire starter thing. It's not sticky to the touch. You can just break off pieces as you need it, and it burns pretty hot and pretty long. We're just kind of cooling it around camp right now. Everybody's taking a little siesta. We're gonna let the heat of the day pass and see if we can get some more fish this evening. So we got some pretty nasty weather rolling in, and it looks like our evening fish is gonna have to be postponed for a while at least. Yeah, it's looking pretty nasty. But we still have tomorrow and a lot of river to work, so hopes are still there. And just like that, we have beautiful weather again, but a little cold. So that's Utah for you. We're gonna go get back after it, see if we can get some more fish. We got some really pretty water here, but we're not catching any action. All day the fish haven't been really picky, other than after that storm kind of came through. It seems like they're being a little more selective on what they're eating. So I still have the chubby on, but I put on a little parachute Adams, just gray colored, to match these little mayflies that are hanging around. See if we can have some more luck that way. Set. Yay. Good try. Set. Good job, baby. All right, bring him here. Bring him to me. Nice fish. Good job. Well, we will count this as successful. Carly got a sweet brook trout on the dry. We're gonna head back to camp and start dinner and probably do a little more fishing just around there. But other than that, we had a pretty awesome,
successful day for me.
Yeah, very successful. All right, folks, that ends day one. We had a fantastic day fishing, exploring in one of our favorite places, and probably got a pretty sweet brook trout. It was a good one. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, folks. We have our campsite cleaned up. We got our rods rigged up. We're gonna head up the road a little ways, see if we can get into some more good fishing. First things first, we have to hit this sketchy little incline up here. I'll show you in a second. But other than that, it should be smooth sailing. It's gonna be a pretty awesome day. So I was tying on a fly and Cotton had the zoomies, and that is the result all the way through the barb. Hopefully I have some pliers in my truck so I can cut off the barb and just fish it back out, but we'll see. All right, so we were able to take a knife and tap it with a rock on top until we cut through the hook, and then this part just push through and we're good to go. Fine as fur, fine as frog fur. Up, head back to Salt Lake, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in, guys.